guys, I got a new pickup. I just threw them out. Is my Nike LeBron IDs. Nothing, it's pretty standard. Got the Nike ID box. Got the tick. You got just another tick on that side. And tick on that side. So as far as the box goes, just what I think they should do is put your colourway here, like they do on others. Anyway, let's get into it. I've already seen these and I've unlaced one of them. My inspiration was at Christmas. I really like those, so yeah. Nothing special, it's just got my name and that one. I've got my name in here, so it's James. Then like that. Yeah, so this I believe is an atomic teal. This is red, and this red just really pops, it's really shiny. I went with the 49 one. Got the white thing here, the white tick, white swoosh, red laces, red line lace lock, and a red inner. The same goes on this one. Yeah, this is my first ever video, so yeah. And I have checked out some of the others. I checked out the Scary Pumpkins, Hez Kicks, his beaver colourway, that's pretty nice. So yeah, right, give me a shout in the comments if you do want to see it on feet. I think it looked pretty dope, but yeah, let me know what you think. See you later.